I'm gonna show you how to block, how to completely stop forever spam calls or robocalls as they're also called on your iPhone. And this is super easy to do, completely free, and I'm sure you're gonna be impressed. So all you have to do to avoid those annoying calls is actually head over to your settings, and then you're gonna scroll down quite a bit actually until you see phone, and then you're gonna scroll down a little bit more until you see silence unknown callers. So as you can see, there's a native dedicated feature in iOS just for this. So as we tap on silence unknown callers, as you can see, it's turned off by default, but we can easily turn it on just like that. And what this feature will do is calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. And it keeps going. So incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestion. And guys, this is the most important part, because the thing with this feature is that most people think that as you enable the feature, any and all unknown phone calls will be silenced. Absolutely anything that's not on your contacts will be silenced, and that's not how it works. As you can see right here, this feature actually uses Siri intelligence to filter those calls. If you don't want to use this feature right here, I do recommend a secondary method, so then you can disable this feature, okay? And then we're gonna use a third-party app for this, and there's one that I use and I do recommend. So all you have to do is go here to the App Store, and then we're gonna go to search, and then we're gonna search for Call Protect. Okay, so Call Protect, as you can see right here, Robo Blocker. That's the first option. So then Call Protect, that's the app right here. I'm gonna tap on it so you can see it better. Of course, I'll have a link in the description as well if you wanna go ahead and go straight to this page. Then you can go ahead and download it. It's free, it's a free app. There are in-app purchases if you want to, but you can use it completely free, okay? Now, let's just go ahead and open it up, Call Protect. And as you guys can see right here, it asks you for notifications, you can allow, and this is super, super cool because iPhone has an actual integration with apps like that, a native integration. As you guys can see right here, there's a setting right dedicated for this. So if you go ahead and open settings, as it says right here, then we have call blocking and identification. And then, as you guys can see right here, call identification apps. So as you guys can see, this is built-in iOS, and this app actually integrates with iOS to make this work. So it's super safe. I love this. So as you guys can see, it'll identify and block spam and robocalls. And the most important thing, the app will not be able to access your information about your incoming calls. So it'll not track you or anything like that. It'll just do its job, okay? So you can leave it like that, turned on, and then that's the app called Protect. And then you can tap on done after this, and then protection is up to date and active. So then it has millions of numbers that it knows are spam robocalls, and that will make sure that it will not receive those calls. So then that's pretty much it. And now you know how to block, how to stop forever those annoying spam calls and robocalls. See you later, guys.